If you have some problems with logging on TikTok, it may be a problem with TikTok server, and in that video I'm going to show you how to make sure if TikTok has right now problems with server or not. That's very simple and easy, so let's begin. And all you have to do is open up your browser and in search bar enter TikTok Down, hit search, and now hit on that link to open up the website downdetector.com. And here at that site at the very top it says that user reports indicate no current problems at TikTok. So right now there are no reports from users. You can check that graph of TikTok outage reports in the last 24 hours, and here you can left your report. You can select app, server connection, or posting, like it say you have problem with app, so you can hit app, and basically that's it. You have just sent a report on that website. And also you can scroll down to the comments and read what other persons say about current situation with their TikTok accounts. And if they write here that they got some problems, so it may be that TikTok has right now problems with server, so you just have to wait for some time and try to log in again. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button if that information was helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe.